How to use green screen on Capcut. So if you want to use green screen on Capcut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Capcut application and go with create project. Once you click on create project, you'll get this kind of interface. So go with import, which is here on the left side, and then you can go with green screen and also another video. So go with open. Here you will have two videos, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with a video, which is right here. Drag and drop the first video. You need to take the green screen video to the upper side, and after that select the green screen video, adjust it, and go with the upper side, which has that remove PG option. And after that go with the chroma key option. Click on chroma key and then go with color picker. Once you go with color picker, you need to choose a color picker, so the green color. Once you've chosen it, now you can simply go with the intensity and shadow. So I'll be choosing more intensity. And if you play the video, then you'll have this kind of interface. So that's how you can use green screen on Capcut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.